Good morning, everyone. This is Poonam Mahindru. Today we'll be discussing the poem Photograph in detail. In the previous video, we have discussed the central idea of the poem. The poet is Shirley Towson. The central idea was that how the poet, she was remembering her mother through a photograph, all the memories, and now her mother is dead, mother is no more, but she is collecting the memories through photograph. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so. Now, in these lines, the poet is looking at an old photo album which is made up of cardboard in the picture. And three girls are there who are walking on the beach holding each other's hands. The girl in the middle is the tallest and oldest, and the other two girls on each side are younger than her. The middle girl, which is tallest, is the poet's mother. The girl in the middle is poet's mother, and she is around 12 years old when the picture was taken. The second stanza is, all three stood still to smile through hair at the uncle with the camera, a sweet face, my mother that was before I was born, and the sea which appears to have changed less. Now here the poet is describing that how the photograph was taken. It was her mother's uncle who has taken the photograph, who took the photograph and told them to stop and pose. And all three of them, they left their wet hair open and smiled at the camera like they are posing for the photographs to get clicked. Now the poet's attention is drawn towards her mother's face, which is described as a sweet face. The photograph was taken long before the poet was born. The poet calls their feat a terrible transient, as they were so young by then and now they have grown older. And it is why it is being said that, and the sea which appears to be have changed less. That sea which is touching their feet, it has not changed. That means the nature is same even after when the poet mother is dead now, and she is just remembering the memories of her mother in the form of photograph. Comes the third stanza. Some 20-30 years later, she'd laugh at the snapshot. Snapshot here is the photograph. See Betty and Dolly. Betty and Dolly are the cousins of poet's mother. And look how they dressed us for the beach, the sea holiday. It was there that the people, when they used to get the photographs clicked, so they used to dress up in a formal way to have the photo shoot. And now these lines, like some 20-30 years later, it was the poet would laugh at the photograph, and she would tell me to look at her cousins, Betty and Dolly, and how their parents would dress, all three of them, for the beach. Now here the poet's mother is telling poet that look at this photograph, look at Betty and Dolly and how their parents they have dressed, and all three of us, we went to a beach and it was like dressed up for the beach, the sea holiday. The sea holiday indicates that they would have planned to take a photograph beforehand. Then comes, was her past, mine her laughter, but both worry with the labored ease of loss. Worry here indicates it's not WORRY. Both worry it is related to mocking. It is ironic. Like the poet recalls, the sea holiday was her mother's favorite moment for the past. While the poet's favorite moment was the past, was her mother's laughter. It means that the poet is remembering her mother's laughter. Both the women would think about those past memories which they cannot live again. They tried their best to adjust what they lost. Now she's been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of this circumstance, there is nothing to say at all. It silences. Silences here indicates a complete absence of sound. Now, in the above lines, the poet says that her mother died 12 years ago, the same age her mother was in the photograph. And whenever the poet thinks about her mother's death, she cannot explain what effect she has of her mother's death. Like death has silenced her mother, which has also left her speechless. It indicates that death is a truth. And poet is remembering the memories through photograph. She is remembering all the memories, all the happy moments which her mother has penned in the photograph. And this is why, like, the things are going to remain there forever, but the people don't remain with us. Now, just a quick review of the summary of the poem. The first phase is the poet looks at the photograph of her mother, which was taken when her mother was only 12 years old. And जब पोएट की मदर सी हॉलीडे के लिए गई दोनों कजन्स के साथ, बेटी एंड डॉली, while they were paddling on the beach, that means they were walking on the beach, her uncle clicked a photograph, that is poet's mother, uncle clicked a photograph, and each of the cousins, that all these three girls, they were holding each other hands. The two girls, Betty and Dolly, they were holding the hand of poet's mother. And all the three, they stood smiling through their hair while the photo was taken. Her mother had a sweet face, but it was the time before she was born. And it was her mother grew up into an adult now. And though, like, the life is going on, but the nature has not changed, the sea has not changed, the sea stood still. And the second phase describes about that after 20 or 30 years, the poet's mother would look at the photograph and laughing and remembering the past, and she is telling about the photograph, and she was appreciating the dress being worn by her cousins Betty and Dolly. This is what the poet's mother is telling to the poet after 20-30 years later. Then comes the sea holiday belonged to the past of her mother, and it was only the experience which the mother was sharing with her daughter. And for the poet, both these bring great sadness and acute sense of loss. Why? Because her mother died 12 years ago, and now the poet has nothing to say about this circumstance of the photograph. The silence of the whole situation silences the poet and leaves her quiet. So this is all the summary, and the poet experiences a great loss. Now this is all for today. The assignments are being uploaded